What's up everybody, Nate Kopic with Germain Vans. Today we're looking at stock number F3216. This is a 2023 Ram Promaster 9-passenger luxury conversion van made by Explorer Vans. Let's take a look inside and out of this thing to see what you're getting yourself into. Again, this is a 2023. It does have the power windows, locks, and mirrors. It does have premium gray leather seating with the diamond stitch in it. Explorer Vans logo. Now these seats are, they are power heated seats with a bunch of different tilt controls. They can lift, tilt, go sideways, forward, backwards, all kinds of stuff. Little storage area for your phone here. Nice little cubby. 3 cup holders. That's your center stack here. Climate controls. I got the rear AC on right now. We'll get to that in a sec. Touchscreen radio. We got your hands-free options right here. You can see different things on the radio, like your trip and, you know, tire pressures, things like that. Rear view mirror is the camera mirror, but it does turn into a basic one at a flip of a button there. We do have ambient lighting in this vehicle. Let's take a look at it. Again, this is a 9-passenger. All matching seats, carpet on the floor. I don't know if you can hear the rear air, but I did turn it on for this video just so I can see kind of how it sounded. These back seats do fold flat. Helps out with storage back here. You know, maybe somebody wants to take a nap while they're on the road. Headphones where you can listen to these speakers. It's kind of loud when it's almost closed. While maybe playing on the TV, if you want to play a PlayStation, things like that, you got that just right there. Got the infinity light here in the center. Gives it that elegant look, kind of like this accent lighting here. Check this out. Storage areas. There's another one up here. Got 2 more back here. So pretty much everyone in the vehicle can get a little storage. Now this is privacy glass, but check this. Now you can't see through it. Very nice feature to have. Also helps keep the temperature down inside too. Ambient lighting, even in the cup holders. Got your rear AC controls. Like I said, I turned that on when I got in here. It feels pretty good in here. Got your DVD player. This is where you can hook a PlayStation up if you wanted to and get on that TV. Let's take a look outside. These do have sliding doors. Again, this one is silver in color. Has the raised roof. Cameras in the mirror that help with that aerial view of the backup camera. Huge windshield. Chrome grille. Another camera here. This does have a painted body kit on it with the painted to match mirrors. Oh, I almost forgot. The lights up top, that way people can see you coming down the road. Check this out. You can see through, and now you can't. So that privacy shade definitely makes a difference. It's going to help keep people from looking inside, also keep the heat down. Nice Explorer badging there. More right there on the back. Now these are set up to tow. You got your 4 and 7 pin. Your backup camera, more lights. They're definitely gonna see you coming down the road. And I didn't unlock the door. I did show the back anyway. I'm gonna take a look through here, that way you can actually see it. I don't like that door didn't unlock. Maybe I'll just grab the key. Oop. Does have remote start. Now that I'm looking at the, oh, that's where the air comes sucked in. Lots of storage space back here. There's the power to the rear sofa. Nice. And a vacuum. If you like what you see and want more information on how to purchase or any more information I can get you on the vehicle. Again, this is a 2023 Ram Promaster 9-passenger. It's silver. Stock number F3216. I'm Nate Kopic. Give me a call today at 937-492-8005, extension 133. I'd love to help you out. Thank you so much.